You clicked on this because you have felt that terrible gap. You want something. You know you are supposed to feel it now. Feel it as already done. Feel the wish fulfilled. That is the instruction. That is the law. But when you go inside to generate that feeling, you meet only doubt. You meet resistance. You meet the flatness of not believing it yet. And so you wonder if you are doing it wrong. You wonder if this teaching is only for those who already have a faith or imagination strong enough to override the senses. Let me tell you right now, and let this be the foundation of everything that follows. The feeling does not require belief. The feeling is not the reward for believing. The feeling is the method by which belief is born. You do not wait to believe before you feel. You feel in order to believe. And if you do not yet know how to feel what you have never experienced, then this video is for you. Today, we are going to show you step by step how to generate the feeling when belief is nowhere to be found. Principle 1. Feeling comes before fact. The world has taught you that feeling follows fact. You think you feel happy because something good happened, or secure because your bank account is full. But you are no longer living in the world of effect. You are awakening to the world of cause. And in the world of cause, feeling comes first. Feeling is the soil in which fact takes root. So when I say you must generate the feeling, I do not mean you must wait for it to arrive on its own. I mean you must call it forth. And since you cannot force belief out of thin air, how do you do it? You use the first bridge, memory. You have lived long enough to have felt every feeling you will ever need. You may not have felt it in the exact context of your current desire, but the emotional signature is the same. If you desire financial freedom, you have felt moments of pure relief and ease. If you desire love, you have felt moments of being deeply cherished and valued. Those moments are still alive in consciousness. When you do not know how to feel your future state, go back to a moment when you felt something close to it. Use that memory as a doorway. Bring up the memory not with mere nostalgia, but with intent. Let that past feeling fill your chest, and once it is alive in your body, gently shift the scene. Keep the feeling of relief or love, but clothe it in your new desire. You are not faking it, you are transplanting a real feeling into a new imaginal act. If memory is the first bridge, gratitude is the second. I am not talking about a forced moral practice to appease a distant universe. I am talking about gratitude as a deliberate emotional state that breaks the contraction of lack. Right now, bring to mind one simple thing in your life that you are genuinely grateful for. A roof over your head, the air in your lungs, or a cup of morning coffee. Feel it deeply. Let your chest soften. When you enter that state of genuine thankfulness, you are no longer in lack. You are in the frequency of having. And from the state of having, it is a very short step to feeling your wish fulfilled. Gratitude is the tuning fork of your consciousness. You do not need to believe your wish is fulfilled before you feel it. You only need to feel it, and belief will follow naturally. Tonight, as you lie down to sleep, do not struggle with doubt. Remember a moment of relief. Let it fill you. Shift it to your desire, and rest in the knowing that it is done. You are not a creature of circumstance. You are the creator. If this brought absolute clarity to your mind today, hit that like button, subscribe to the Stress-Free Zone, and share this video with someone who needs to hear it. Thank you for watching. Dare to assume your new state, and I'll see you in the next video.